Hey guys, now we are in Ettal and we are going to climb Ettaler Manndl. It's approximately 2.5 hours high
above the village of Ettal, and these bed of clouds. The Bavarian Alps rise like a stone cathedral, and today we are heading straight for one of its most iconic peaks, the Ettaler Manndl. At just 1633 meters, it is not the tallest mountain in the region, but its sharp limestone crown makes it one of the most striking peaks. And the only way to the top is a short, exposed but incredibly fun Via Ferrata.
So guys, we are finally at Ettaler Manndl now, and this is what you see here that we need to climb. It's a bit of rock climbing. We need Via Ferrata to do it, but from the looks of it, I don't think you really need the Via Ferrata, but yeah, if you have it, it's well and good.
Ferrata itself is graded easy to moderate, A and B level, perfect for beginners but still exposed enough to get your heart going. Stay clipped, stay focused and enjoy the flow of the climb. If you ever find yourself in the Bavarian Alps and want a quick hit of adrenaline, scenery and a summit you will never forget, the Ettaler Manndl delivers. Honestly, this peak proves one thing: size does not matter, views do. Below us, the cloud drifts like a luminous ocean, and in that moment, it feels like the world is holding its breath, leaving only us, the peak and the open sky.
Wow, look at this amazing view.
Thanks for joining the climb. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next ridge adventure.